Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Boy, today do we have an exciting episode. We have an exciting episode pretty much every day this weekend. We have a tri-buster of new home building here in our community here, right next to Villa Feliz, our own home. Because you see, I just walked from our home right here, and we're actually walking now down to the very next home build that we're going to be doing right over my shoulder right here, and it's exciting. It's exciting. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, today's new home build is going to be extremely interesting because this home here is being built with a little bit of many different type of styles. A little bit of North American style, a little bit of new modern home kind of style here inside the Philippines, as well as maybe a little bit of Mediterranean. It's very unique, and you'll see there's going to be a feature inside here. I don't want to give it away at this moment, but there's going to be another feature that has to do with a little bit, well, I'm going to give it away a little bit of underground building, similar to the underground basement that we did at Villa Feliz. Well, let's go ahead and get over there. They are doing the groundbreaking ceremony, which we traditionally try to cover at the very beginning of each one of our new home builds.
Today, we gather in this promising and momentous occasion to mark the beginning of the journey filled with dreams and possibilities. We are here to celebrate the groundbreaking ceremony of the proposed bungalow project, a symbol of progress, vision, and dedication of many hearts and hands. Before we proceed, I would like to extend a warm, heartfelt welcome to honor our clients, Mr. Mark and Mrs. Ann Sawyer, whose trust and vision have brought us here today. Your presence is a testament to the faith you have to this project and to the team behind it. We are also delighted to have with us our distinguished guests, Mr. James and Tita Ann, and Tita Nessie Tanan, and also Tita V, who graced this event with your presence. Your support and participation in this celebration are deeply appreciated. I would also like to acknowledge and express gratitude to dedication to the team of Caribbean Construction, as well as our interns.
Yay!
Last but certainly not the least, we are honored to have our midst the President of Caribbean Construction. This groundbreaking ceremony signifies the foundation upon which we will build not just a house, but a place where laughter and cherished memories will thrive together. Together we embark on a journey that will see dreams take shape and future become reality. Thank you for joining us on this special day. Let us look forward to this exciting journey ahead. I would like to invite Mr. Mark Sawyer to share his thought and vision for this project.
Thank you all for being here. Thank you, most of all, for Romy and Jen for their very wonderful hospitality. And easing the transition from US to the Philippines really means a lot to us. We spent many years in trying to find a place in the Philippines, looking at various things, and we finally found our location, our lot, and our builder. And welcome to Sawyer's Haven. Thank you also the entire construction crew, Mark and Angela, and everybody involved. Thank you very much for being, the wonderful things that you do and building a house. And also thanks to James and Ness for their insights on the expat life. Very interesting, very good stuff. And thank you all maraming salamat sa lahat.
That was hard.
Thank you, Sir Mark, for the wonderful speech. Okay, I would like to call Tita Ann. Maybe you can share your thoughts and your expectation to this project.
First of all, magandang umaga. Good morning to all of us. It's been a pleasure to be here today, standing on this side. It's been a long time dream to come back and spend our hard work retirement here in Philippines. First of all, I would like to thank James and Ness. Through your network, then we would not be here today. Secondly, Romeo, who was also there for the first time we traveled to Lipa, where we were like, okay, we saw your projects, the quality, what you brought, and the hard work of your crew. So we're so excited, and also your workers, Mark, Bandam, Angela, everyone involved in this construction. We're happily and excitedly looking forward for the completion. So thank you, everyone.
Yay! Oops. These are fake scissors.
Yay!
Yay! So it's
Thank you.
We will now proceed to the symbolic groundbreaking. We will drop this time capsule to the ground.
Yay! Okay na. What ba yun?
Picture taking. Ayun.
Now isn't that a great home design? I tell you what, I am really looking forward to following that from the beginning of the project to the end of that project as well, especially since they are just a couple of blocks down from us here at Villa Feliz. Now we are also following two other home builds. We started the one, Scott and Mara, the folks from Saipan. We did their first video and showed the 3D rendering of that house, and it's in a pretty good state right now. They've got some of the walls up. Well, I don't want to give too much about that away because we're going to do a follow-up hopefully this same weekend. And we are also following another build a few blocks over, and that is our friend Rob and Bless. And those folks are building a Mediterranean style house very similar to the one we built here at Villa Feliz. So that's another exciting home build to follow. We'll be putting all the clips that we put together, getting that uploaded very soon, so you get to see 3 homes that are being built pretty much simultaneous, and they're all right within walking distance of Villa Feliz here. So we got a lot of great builds to come up in the next weeks and months to come. Well, anyway, that's about it for today. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos, if you like DIY home builds, then please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time from right here in the very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you're interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.